Hello students, welcome to this channel. Myself Alam Sikdar. Today we are going to start exercise 8.4 question number from 5, that is prove that. So before prove that, we have to know about some identities of trigonometry. Let us see now. Number one identity is there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And from here, if we want to find out this one, we number 1 and some formulas also we have to find out from here. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If we want to find out sin theta, then is equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. This one we can write. And if we want to find out cos square theta or cos theta, then also we can find out from here. So number 3, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Theta is angle value. Number 4, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. Next one, number 2, one plus sec square 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Or we can write this, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. And tan theta is equal to under root sec square theta minus 1. And if we want here sec theta, then sec theta, how can we find out? Sec theta is equal to under root 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. Now if we want to find out sec theta, then it will be under 1 plus tan square theta. Next, number 4, if we want to transfer this to right hand side, then it will become what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And this one, sec square theta minus tan square theta, like identity a plus a square minus b square, identity is there. We can write like this way, a plus b into a minus b. Here also sec square theta minus tan square theta. This one we can write sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. This one we can write like this way also, sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Next, one more having 1 plus cot square theta or cot square theta plus 1. Same, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. That one is equal to what? Cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. So we can write from here, given 3, and once we can write like this, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And this one also we can write like this way, cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Because this one a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square formula we can write like this way, a plus b into a minus b. And here number 3, so cosec theta also you can find out. Cosec theta is equal to, if root over we have to square we have to draw from left side, then it will be under root. Here under root 1 plus cot square theta. If we need cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus cot theta. Cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So cot theta also we can find out from here, under root cosec theta, cosec square theta minus 1. Like this way we can find out. So from here also tan square theta we can find out, like this way. Tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 under root. So we should know some identities to solve this problem. So another some identity saving, let it see. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. From here we can find out sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta we can write like this way, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So main identity is like sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So sin theta is equal to what? 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Like this way we can find out. Next, sec theta into cos theta, or cos theta into sec theta, same. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta we can write is equal to 1 by sec theta. And number 2, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We can write like this way. And another one, tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta into cos theta is equal to, value will be 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So here tan theta, what we can write, is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And here 7 number, tan theta is equal to that one, which was sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So we should know these identities before solving the problem. So now let's solve our problem, that is prove that. Solution. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So from left hand side we can write this. Left hand side is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So cosec theta means, we know cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta, because we know sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So from here we can find out cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So here 1 by sin theta we can write here, minus cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. So here cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now they are having fraction 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Between fraction, if they have plus or minus, then we have to take the LCM. So now we have to take the LCM. Sin theta will be the LCM. Then sin theta in sin theta 1 times 1 into 1, that is 1, minus sin theta in sin theta 1 times sin theta in 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta whole square. Now this square will be in numerator part also, in denominator part also. So numerator part is there 1 minus cos theta, then whole square we can write this, and denominator part is sin theta, then square will be there, so sin square theta. Numerator part 1 minus cos theta whole square, and denominator part is sin square theta. Now we know sin square theta means what? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We know this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here sin square theta having, so we have to write this sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and this one 1 minus cos square theta, 1 means 1 square we can write. So here also if we write this 1 square means 1, so 1 square minus cos square theta, that means 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, we can write like this in place of sin square theta. In place of sin square theta, what we can write? In place of sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta means 1 square we can write, so that one a square minus b square identity we can apply here. So like this 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So in place of sin square theta, we can write this one. So 1 minus cos square theta, and upper part is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta means 1 square we can write, this one will be 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and upper part is 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, then power will be 2. So here we have to write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here having 1 minus cos theta in upper part also, and 1 minus cos theta down part also. So we can cut this 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, we can cancel this, and having now 1 minus cos theta, and denominator part is 1 plus cos theta, and in right part also having same, so 1 minus cos theta in numerator part, and denominator part having 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, this one is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, we got here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, hence proved. Next question is cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. Number 2, prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 sec a. We have to prove this. So cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 sec a. We have to prove it. So left hand side we have to consider first. Let it solution. Left hand side is equal to what? Left hand side is equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A. Here plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. So this part, two terms is there, one first part and second part. So in these cases they have fraction and between having plus. In case of fraction, if they have plus or minus, then we have to take the LCM. So now we have to take the LCM of these two parts. So 1 plus sin A into cos A will be the LCM. So 1 plus sin A in 1 plus sin A cancel or 1 times, then remaining part is cos A. Then cos A into cos A, that one will be cos square. Cos A into cos A, that is cos square A, plus cos A. If we divide this denominator part, then cos A will cancel, that is 1 times. Then remaining part will be 1 plus sin A. Then 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that means 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. So now cos square A plus here 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, and here also we can write 1 plus cos square. Cos square means we can write here 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square A. We can write like this, plus 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 plus sin by 1 plus sin A into cos A. So 1 minus sin square means we can write this 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, like this. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, because here will be A square minus B square power. So plus is there, 1 plus sin A whole square. If we let here common 1 plus sin A into 1 cos A. So here from if we take common 1 plus sin A, then here will be 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A into there will plus 1 plus sin A. Here 1 plus sin A into cos A. So this part will be cancelled. Then here will be 1 minus sin A plus 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus 1 means 2 minus sin A and plus sin A divided by cos A. So minus 1 plus 1 it will cancel. Then it will be 2 into 1 by cos A. So 2 into 1 by cos A means 2 into 1 means 2 by cos. So this one we can write like this, 2 1 by cos A means sec. 2 into sec. This one is right hand side. Right hand side. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side is cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Henceforth, question number 3. Here tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. We have to prove it. So left hand side is equal to, in left hand side given tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. So we know tan theta means sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cot theta means we know cos theta by sin theta. So in place of tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus in place of cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta means we can write cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus in place of tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta. So very simple way we can solve this. In denominator part we have to take LCM. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, there 1 and sin theta LCM will be there sin theta. So 1 in sin theta times sin theta into 1, that is sin theta, minus sin theta in sin theta 1 times 1 into cos theta, that one will be cos theta, and there is in numerator part sin theta by cos theta. So here plus similarly we can write here cos theta by sin theta, and 1 and cos theta LCM will be there cos theta, 1 in cos theta times cos theta into 1, that is cos theta, minus cos theta in cos theta 1 times 1 into sin theta, that one is sin theta. Now if we are having main fraction is this, so this part into this one, numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So sin theta by cos theta into numerator or part will be denominator and denominator part will be numerator. So sin theta minus cos theta here, and plus is there. Okay, this numerator part we have to write the same way, cos theta by sin theta into this numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So here sin theta into sin theta, that is sin square theta, and here cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So plus cos theta into cos theta means cos square theta, and denominator part being sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here we have to write the same, sin square theta by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta, sin here positive having and before cos theta here having minus. So if we write here minus at that time we can write here sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So at that time minus will be plus, cos theta will be plus and sin theta will be minus, and numerator part is cos square theta. So now we can take LCM. LCM is sin theta into cos theta, there sin theta into cos theta, and sin theta minus cos theta here, and sin theta minus cos theta there also. So in common part is there sin theta minus cos theta, we can write here as a LCM, sin theta minus cos theta. So in numerator part will be there cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. If we divide denominator part by this part, then it will be cancelled there cos theta, and sin theta minus cos theta also it will be cancelled, that means in 1 times. So 1 into sin theta, at that time you will get sin theta into sin square theta, that means sin square theta into sin theta, that is sin cube theta. Here minus. So sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. With this part, if we divide this denominator part, that means we will get at that time cos theta. So cos square theta into cos theta. So here sin square theta into sin theta, that means sin cube theta, minus cos square theta into cos theta, that means cos cube theta. Here denominator part sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So we know this a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula we know. At that time a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We know this identities. A cube minus b cube. So here sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. This one formula we can write like this way: sin theta minus cos theta. After that sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. Identity is like a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a into b. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So similarly we can write this sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. At that time sin theta minus cos theta into first term square plus first term into second term cos theta is there plus cos square theta, second term square is there. So we can write like this, and denominator part is sin theta into cos theta and into sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta can cancel here. Then upper part sin square theta plus cos square theta, that value is 1. We can write this sin square theta plus cos square theta plus is there sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta means 1 plus here sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. So here 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. So this part we can write like this way: 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta into cos theta, 1 by sin theta into cos theta, and plus is there, can write plus. After that sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Just we have to write in separate way. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta, plus is there written sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. So it will be 1 there if we cut this 1 times 1 times 1 times. So 1 into 1 means 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus 1. So this one also we can write like this way: 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Here 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta plus 1. So 1 by sin theta means cosec theta into 1 by cos theta means sec theta plus 1. So 1 written in first, so this one we can write in first also, no problem. So here cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. So this one we can write 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, because of we know sec theta into cosec theta means cosec theta into sec theta. Same way we can write, and plus here having, so first we can write plus 1, and there have plus sec theta into cosec theta. So this one is right hand side. We can write this right hand side, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this one is right hand side, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, we can write that is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Hence proved. Hence proved. We can write like this. Dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe this. Wish you all the best.